Hi and welcome to my video blog, where today I'm going to continue my musings about making the circular economy a reality. Now, first of all, let me ask a question. When was the last time you looked at your phone? Now, I don't mean when was the last time you checked your phone. I mean when was the last time you really looked at your phone for what it was? For me, my phone is a black, sleek, shiny box of computer wizardry encased seamlessly in touchscreen brilliance. But as brilliant as the gadget is while the going's good, if something should go awry, like for example, theoretically of course, it gets sat on and the screen cracks, its very thickness becomes its undoing. Now, according to an article by the Green Alliance recently, in order to make their newest phone model the sleekest one ever, a manufacturer, and I won't say which manufacturer, shaved off a millimetre from the thickness by gluing the screen to the casing. Now, in doing so, it made any chance of getting a quick and easy replacement screen should the screen crack almost impossible. I would, and of course theoretically again, have to send my phone off, have to have an entire front panel replaced and the entire phone resealed. Now clearly this is an incredible waste of time, money and resources. Well, that got me thinking. How far would I, as an average consumer, be willing to compromise on elegance and style in order to improve on practicality? Well, surprisingly, the answer was quite a lot. For an extra millimetre of thickness, I could have a phone that could have a replaceable screen on a bracket. For an extra gram of weight, I could have a phone with an external card slot, meaning I could update the hardware, which would significantly delay any obsolescence. Now, when you add to this the myriad of software updates that are available for most of the smartphones nowadays, and what you have is a reliable, repairable, durable phone. That one small revelation in the mind of one consumer, i.e. me, could escalate though. If enough consumers were asking for and buying the modular repairable handset, then it could drive change in the marketplace. Admittedly, this would rely on one manufacturer taking the lead and bucking the normal consumption-based linear model that we're so used to. But innovation is what they do best. But why stop at just benefiting me as a consumer? What if that level of practicality had far wider reaching social, environmental and economic benefits as well? And that's where the beauty and the brilliance of the circular economy comes into its own. If we're able to step outside of the normal, wasteful and resource inefficient patterns of production and consumption, the take, make and dispose models that we're so used to, then there opens up a whole world of possibilities. Sticking with the circular economy way of thinking about phone development, what if phones themselves were designed to be entirely modular? So, for example, there was a technological advancement, a step change in phone camera technology. You'd be able to pop out the old camera module and install the new one, removing the need to upgrade your phone every time the manufacturer launched a new model, something which only actually seems to incrementally improve performance of the handset every time. At the end of the phone's first usable life, the provider or retailer could incentivize the return of the handset through a discount or money off a next purchase. They would be set up to repair and refurbish the handset in-house before quickly cycling it back onto the market. And this ability to repair in-house could also be used to provide some kind of warranty for a handset, thus providing reassurance to a consumer about taking a non-new product. But why stick to the old models of consumption at all? The circular economy encourages us to think innovatively in moving away from the old business models. So instead of me purchasing the phone from the provider, what if the provider leased me the phone and then provided me with a service package all the way along? At the end of the lease, I'd return the phone, which would be repaired, refurbished and cycled back onto the market. I'd then get a shiny new modular phone, and there'd be benefits in employment in the repair sector. Similarly, all the way along there'd be material and energy savings from avoiding the new product. Now, when the phone did reach the end of its usable second or third life, the time spent in designing it for disassembly would enable the effective recovery and recycling of the materials within it into high-value end uses. To complete the picture, every step of the way should be powered by renewable energy. Simple. So now I'm going to use my shiny, sleek black phone for the other circular economy application, social media. Now, with the right amount of consumer groundswell driving change and the continued innovation from industry, the circular economy will continue its march into global acceptance. Join me again for my future musings on the circular economy. Thanks.